what are we doing in our day to day that I could continue doing, but now I want a real business use case for. So it's not that it makes my job easier, but there's a real use case to apply AI to a workflow where maybe it didn't exist before. And so I'm just curious, the groups that you're working with, are they coming to you with those specific questions in mind, like those specific use cases, and you're now seeking a solution? Or is it still a little bit of you're kind of putting a thesis together and then you're trying to identify where within Cushman and Wakefield maybe an initial test group may emerge as the first candidate for like an AI workflow to come in?
It's definitely been a little bit of both. I think because the capabilities have been so well marketed and so well transparent out there, that a lot of people within the business have been able to come up with and think through how AI can change and improve upon things that they've been doing, and they may have ideas of how to solve that. And then we're also looking centrally with our TDS organization about how do we identify tools that are coming out there and also say, is there a fit for this within our business? And so what is the size of that look like? And part of that's just understanding what all of our existing vendors are doing to incorporate it. I think that's the second piece of this that's really interesting is almost every technology platform that I've talked to recently seems like they're at least thinking about embedding AI solutions into their application. And it's really become a critical differentiator and selling point for any technology platform at this point, to be able to say that they're doing something with it, whether or not it's the best fit. And I think that's where that centralized view is really trying to help us understand if one of our applications is going to embed a capability within it, does it make sense to use that? Does it make sense to build our own similar solution in-house that maybe we can tailor specifically to our needs? At what point do we say this is an initiative to where we're going to let an end user in the organization take advantage of and become a user of one of these AI-powered tools and build something on their own? And those are all things that we're actively looking into and exploring that right balance and the right approach of how do we take this exciting set of capabilities and make sure that we're applying it in the right way to the right problems, that it's going to be valuable for us and valuable for the enterprise, rather than just taking a new and exciting technology and either letting someone use it for maybe a use case that it's not so great of a fit for, or maybe that simpler and traditional automation tools could solve better and more reliably for them.